Welcome back to the channel, guys. Tyler from Diesel Power Products here, and today we are unboxing the PPE Zilla intake for the 20 to 24 6.6 liter Duramax. Now, a common issue with these things is they become loose over time or they crack and they start to lose air pressure, therefore you're gonna lose some power. So PPE came up with a solution here with a full carbon design. You can get them in Twill Weave or forged. I believe this one is forged. Come check this thing out. This thing is super rad. With PPE, you're getting quality, durability, and it looks freaking awesome under the hood of your truck. If you don't have one of these, you absolutely need one. Get rid of that old cracked piece of junk that you got. It comes with all the hardware to install here, and you get a sweet PPE sticker in there. If you guys are looking for one of these for your 20 to 24 Duramax, hit the link in the description or visit dieselpowerproducts.com. Thanks for unboxing with us.